What are the basic things to be kept in mind while preparing your answers for your writing task 2? What method can be followed to present an excellent essay in your examination? Hang on, you are at the right place. To improve your writing skills, you should avoid these 7 mistakes, and I will be discussing these crucial mistakes in detail in today's video. Hello everyone, this is Yesha Manik with IELTSMaterial.com, helping you to prepare for your IELTS test, write correct answers and get a higher band score in your IELTS examination. If you find this video helpful or if you feel that this video has been informative, then do like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. Now let's look into the mistakes to be avoided while writing IELTS Writing Task 2. Mistake number 1, copying words from the question. Copying the words will never give you great bands because the examiner will not consider these words. The solution is learn to paraphrase the question and present it in the introduction. This will make the examiner understand that you are capable of using a wide range of vocabulary and you do have the ability to develop synonyms or antonyms. So, no copying words from the question, rather learn to present your answer using words with similar meanings. Mistake number 2, repeating words or phrases or ideas. When you are actually practicing for your reading module, I would suggest that you should make a vocabulary bank, that is, you will be able to collect topic specific vocabulary. This is called as learning paraphrasing skill, and utilize that paraphrasing skill into writing task as well, because you would be learning many words and use those words according to the topic that is given in your writing task too. Coming to repeating the ideas. Do not repeat the ideas just to make up the number of words in your essays. This will definitely not give you band 8 in your writing task 2. The best solution is use different words, that is topic specific vocabulary, but do not repeat words, and also present different ideas. For example, take a topic sentence of the main idea, write the supporting detail of that main idea and also present an example. This is called as variation of ideas, and when you use different words, that will be called as variation of using words. Mistake number 3, not giving a strong point of view or opinion. IELTS essays actually demands a strong opinion or a firm opinion with clear reasons. Let's take the questions, that is, what is your opinion? Do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? Discuss both the point of views and give your opinion. The question itself demands giving your opinion with clear reasons. This says that you will score great bands if you state your opinion in the introduction as well as in the conclusion with clarity, that is, with clear reasons. Start giving the opinion whenever it is asked, but do not present the opinion if it is not asked. Where? That is, for example, in advantages or disadvantages essay, if the question says, write the advantages and the disadvantages of the topic, you don't have to present an opinion. Understand where to present an opinion and where to ignore your own opinion. To learn more about writing an opinion essay, check the video link in the description box. Mistake number 4, using abbreviations or contracted forms. I have mentioned this many times in my previous videos. Stop using abbreviations or contracted forms in your IELTS essays. Why is it important or why is it imperative to avoid these structures? Because we need to show a difference between spoken and written English. In the spoken English, we can use I haven't used this method before, but this cannot be used in written English. We have to write I have not used this method before. Hence, stop using or avoid using contractions like haven't, don't, can't or mustn't, and also stop using abbreviations like BHK, MBA or NGO or etc., that is etc. This will definitely not give you a great band score, or it will only give you band 5 in your IELTS writing essays. To learn more about how to improve your writing skills, check out the video link in the description box. Mistake number 5, presenting unorganized paragraphs. Imagine that you are presenting sentences in a jumbled manner or in the wrong order. What will the examiner assess, or how would it be possible for her or him to evaluate your essays? Hence, try to write the answer in an organized fashion. Follow the structure for all types of essays. That is, first paragraph should be introduction plus opinion if asked, star mark if asked. Second paragraph should be body paragraph 1. Third paragraph should be body paragraph 2. And fourth paragraph should be conclusion, where you summarize your main features, or if the opinion is asked, then you also present the opinion in the conclusion. To learn more about the structure of the essays, check out the video link in the description box. Mistake number 6, writing irrelevant ideas out of the topic. Do not use ideas or sentences which is not relevant to the topic. Why is this? The examiner actually reads every word, checks the spelling, analyzes your sentences and evaluates your essays according to the marking parameter. So that is why it is very important to write according to the topic, that is relevant to the topic, to get a higher band score in your IELTS essays. To learn about how to organize your ideas, check the video link in the description box. Mistake number 7, not sparing time to check your work. You might miss a few unusual errors. Hence, proofreading your work will definitely help you improve your writing skills, and this is the best method to follow. So ensure that you give 5 minutes to plan, 30 minutes to write, and 5 minutes at the end to check your work. What would you do when you're giving 5 minutes to check your work? That is, check the spellings, punctuation, subject verb agreement, tense mistakes, singular or plural nouns, and also if you have used any wrong vocabulary, you can replace those wrong vocabulary. If you want to learn from our expert trainers, visit our website IELTSMaterial.com and book a free demo to enroll. Avoiding these 7 mistakes will certainly help you in getting band 7 in your writing task too. If you get above band 7, then do let me know about the same in the comment section below. I would wait for your comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. For more free IELTS learning, please follow IELTS Material YouTube channel and stay updated. Thank you.